In this video, I will explain to you about taking the advantage of the current crypto market crash. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. Prices in the cryptocurrency market are very unpredictable, constantly moving up and down. Many unfortunate and unexpected incidents have occurred in recent weeks. Many crypto trends have escalated as a result of the crisis in Ukraine, demonstrations in Canada, and sanctions against Russia, prompting governments to consider how to regulate crypto. At the same time, many potential buyers are debating whether or not the current market conditions are favorable for entering the cryptocurrency sector, or if they should wait for the inevitable market correction. Soon, we will go over all of this, as well as some of the most recent developments in the cryptocurrency market and strategies for making money during bear markets. Some recent news items that may affect the cryptocurrency market will also be discussed. Whether or not you're considering purchasing cryptocurrency at the moment, this video is a must-watch. Analysis of the cryptocurrency market. Several price swings have been noticed in the cryptocurrency market during the previous several weeks. As of right now, the cryptocurrency market is in the red. Please, don't kill the person who brought you this news. We know you're tired of watching it. On Thursday, the cryptocurrency market declined 4.5%, with Bitcoin losing 6% to almost wipe off its Wednesday gains. Ethereum losing 4.4%, Solana falling 6%, and the rest of the market losing 4.5%. There are many people who, despite the risks, think cryptocurrency is a decent investment. Blockchain's underlying technology is often regarded as cutting edge and promising. A further factor contributing to future price stability is the growing use of cryptocurrencies as a payment method. As its applications become apparent, Bitcoin is being seen by more and more individuals as a reliable savings mechanism. Inflation. This is also a significant reason people buy cryptocurrency. You risk seeing your investments gradually eroded by inflation with conventional fiat currencies. The rise in the consumer price index was much more dramatic than the previous month, jumping to 7.5% from 7%. The trading money that routinely flies in panics out and repeats due to global events are likely to cause a little drop in the stock market ahead of the interest rate announcements and normalize it again. However, the cryptocurrency investors do not face this danger, making crypto assets a more attractive choice. The invasion of Ukraine by Russia. Crypto's use cases and general price stability have been helped by recent reports that Ukraine is accepting contributions to crypto. This is considered a massive win for crypto's mainstream acceptance, since it demonstrates the growing practical applications of cryptocurrencies. It's conceivable that the market will continue to act similarly. While it is impossible to predict the outcome of this battle, Russians are increasingly turning to cryptocurrency as sanctions on their country persist. The value of the ruble has dropped dramatically. Overall, no one wants to own a currency that can't be used for international trade. As a result, there is more interest in purchasing cryptocurrency, which is a positive development for pricing. To carry out a war, it seems that Russia would need crypto. Crowdfunding and volunteering are two areas where Ukraine might benefit from cryptocurrency usage. China. When the United States took over as the most significant Bitcoin mining operation, this government banned Bitcoin and added a provision to make fundraising in cryptocurrencies more difficult. Amounts in the cryptocurrency of more than $16,000, or 100,000 yen, are now considered material under the new rule. A minimum penalty of 3 years in prison may be imposed. A 10-year prison sentence is possible if the money is more than $500K, which is almost $79,000. To what extent China's growing global clout affects the crypto industry remains to be seen. Their engagement in Taiwan, where most Bitcoin miners are built, is of rising concern. If the Bitcoin community wants to reduce its dependency on Taiwan, it must begin enabling producers in other countries. Observers of international politics are increasingly convinced that China will invade Taiwan soon. The crypto market as an investment opportunity. There are a few factors to think about before putting money into cryptocurrency. First, it's crucial to study the underlying technologies of each cryptocurrency. The volatility of cryptocurrency values means you shouldn't put all your money into it. Also, remember that cryptocurrency market is still in its infancy, so it's prudent to spread your bets. To that end, it's wise to diversify your holdings and invest some of your money in cryptocurrencies alongside other options. If the cryptocurrency market fails again, you will be less likely to lose everything you've invested. Bitcoin investing. It's true that many individuals still consider Bitcoin a sound investment even after the recent crypto crash. This is because Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency and the oldest one currently available. Furthermore, many businesses are beginning to accept Bitcoin as payment, which could contribute to a more excellent price stability. Bitcoin's value has been falling gradually over the last 6 months. Due to the vast geopolitical news out of Russia and Ukraine, the Bitcoin market has dropped even lower, but has been relatively stable since the crisis began. Next week, El Salvador will issue a bond secured by Bitcoin. The war in Ukraine and Russia might cause a delay here. If this succeeds, though, it might serve as a spur for Bitcoin's recovery. The goal is to construct a city in El Salvador called Bitcoin City, using the bond's earnings, so its residents don't have to pay taxes. Tax-free Bitcoin City will be established in El Salvador and funded by $1 billion in Bitcoin bonds. The first construction phase is scheduled to begin in 2022, and the sole tax to be collected will be the value-added tax. The Ethereum market. Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin tells the cryptocurrency world that his platform is agnostic. In any case, he made it quite plain that he is not. He is Russian and Canadian and sympathetic to Ukraine's plight. Due to the rise of other blockchains, Ethereum has not made any significant progress recently. Even if this cryptocurrency benefits from a substantial network effect, it remains to be seen whether or not it lives up to its fans' lofty expectations. Near the end of last year, the price of Ethereum reached a record high of almost $4,800. This market is still far from returning to its pre-cash highs. The Ukraine-Russia news did not have much effect in terms of price reduction, although it did help. Ethereum's primary focus is still on DeFi technology. Protocols for decentralized financial transactions that use this blockchain have been expanding at a breathtaking pace. Recently, the total value of Ethereum intelligent contracts topped $13 billion. During the summer of 2021, trading non-fungible tokens, NFTs, was all the rage. Unfortunately, in 2022, the trend has not continued. A lack of market volume has not stopped development or interest. The NFT market was severely affected by the war news. The number of primary and secondary market transactions using NFTs has dropped by almost 80% from their high point at the end of February. Despite the price decline, artists are rallying to aid the people of Ukraine by hosting unique NFTs, with all proceeds going to conflict relief initiatives. The Ukrainian government is also entering the space race by releasing digital assets to house a virtual museum of the country's military history. The money from the sale will be used to help fund their defense. This demonstrates the value of digital art since it is immune to the effects of conflict and can be distributed internationally with little waste of resources. Techniques for making money during crypto market downturns. Is it possible to make a profit from a drop in cryptocurrency prices? Putting money into other cryptocurrencies is one possibility. To put it simply, altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin that have not yet reached Bitcoin's level of popularity. If you have faith in the long term and the cryptocurrency in question has solid fundamentals, then purchasing the drop now may help you get a reasonable price. The current prices of substantial assets on the cryptocurrency market, relative to their all-time peaks, provide excellent purchasing opportunities. In case these markets drop more in response to increased unpredictability in the news, dollar cost averaging may be a helpful approach. If you decide to invest in cryptocurrency, do it cautiously and only with money you can afford to lose. Nevertheless, investing in crypto might be a wise choice if you have faith in the underlying technology and see a promising future for it. Do your homework and thoroughly weigh the benefits and drawbacks before making any commitments. This was all from my side to guide you about taking the advantage of the current crypto market crash. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.